Today's lesson is 9.2, Models and Three-Digit Numbers. Young mathematicians use place value blocks and drawings to model and write three-digit numbers. Before we begin, you can check yesterday's homework from 9.1. Please let us know if you have any questions. Please turn to page 517 in book topic 9. How can you use place value blocks to show 125? Explain. Draw your blocks to show what you did. You can draw quick pictures. To review, the flat, you could draw a square, the long, a line, and the small cube, a dot. There are many ways that you could draw 125. Let's look at a few ways. One way you could show 125 with place value blocks is to have one flat, two longs, and 5 ones. That's 100, 10, plus 10, which shows 20, and the 5, 125. Another way you could show 125 is to have 12 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and then 5 ones, 125. You can even have 125 ones. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 125. Just to review, the unit or the one is a small cube. The long is 10. The flat is 100. And the large cube is 1,000. We can show a three-digit number with base 10 blocks. Here is the number 259. I have two flats to show 200. I have 5 tens to show 50. And then I have 9 ones to show 9. I can also write it out. 2 hundreds, 5 tens, 9 ones, and then I could put it in a place value chart. I have 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones. Let's look at the number 146. We could use place value blocks to show 146. We could use a place value chart to show 146. And we could write out 146 using hundreds, tens, and ones. First, I'm going to draw a quick picture of 146. So to show 146, I'm going to draw one flat for 100, 4 longs to show 40, and 6 little cubes to show 6. I can put my work inside a place value chart. I have 100, 4 tens, and 6 ones. I could put it again. 100, I have 4 tens and 6 ones. 146. What number is shown here? Let's count the flats that are hundreds, the longs that are tens, and the small cubes that are 1. What number is shown? There are 3 flats, 300, 4 tens, 40, and we have 3 ones. So we have the number 343. Turn to page 518 in your book. Try and complete this one by yourself. If you need help, the flats are hundreds, the longs are tens, the small cubes are ones. How many of each do you have? There are 5 hundreds, 1 long, 1 10, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 ones. Our number is 516. Do you understand? Show me. How many hundreds are in 395? How many tens? How many ones? Draw quick pictures. Okay, so if I was to draw a quick picture, I have 3 hundreds, I have 9 longs, and I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is how we could show 395. How are the numbers 342 and 324 alike? How are they different? One way they're both alike is they have the same digits.
Is something there?
Both numbers have the numbers, the digits, 3, 4, and 2. What is different about both of these numbers is that the value of the 4 and 2 are different. The 4 in the first number, the 4 in 342 is 40. The value of the 2 in 342, I mean the 4 in 324 is 4 ones. The value of the 2 in 342 is 2. The value of the 2 in 324 is 20. Independent practice. Page 519, odd numbers only. Page 520, numbers 10, 12, and 13. Feel free to do all of the problems if you choose. When you're finished, please check your work. If you need more help, watch the visual learning video. Send a message should you need more help. Go to the Pearson webpage to complete extra work, Math Anytime, Quick Check, Enrichment, and Game, Gobbling Globs Hundreds.